Hello viewers, this is IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to enable energy saver mode on Google Chrome browser. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To enable energy saver mode on Google Chrome browser, open your Google Chrome browser and click on three dot icon on upper right corner. Click on settings. Now click on performance. Now here you will find a section power. Under power section you will find energy saver, and by default the energy saver is turned on. You just click here to turn it on. When on, Chrome conserves battery power by limiting background activity and visual effects such as smooth scrolling and video frame rates. Here you will find two options: turn on only when my battery is at 20% or lower, or turn on when my computer is unplugged. You can select any one. I recommend you to turn on only when my battery is at 20% or lower. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.